Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin extended support to bereaved family of Tamil Nadu BSP Chief K. Armstrong, who was murdered, hacked to death just a few days ago outside his house in Chennai's Perambur region. He was killed by bike-borne men, some of them who pretended to be Zomato delivery boys. Stalin paid a floral tribute to, Armstrong and offered his condolences to the family members. He also assured that he will bring the perpetrators to justice. Chief Minister Stalin's visit comes at a time when opposition parties and Armstrong supporters have been seeking a CBI investigation into this case. The Tamil Nadu BJP chief Annamalai has slammed the chief minister, calling this murder a part of a conspiracy. A BJP delegation has also decided to meet a Dalit panel over the murder of, this leader. Police has so far arrested 8 men. Police said that according to initial investigations, a previous enmity could be the motive behind the murder.
We are the BSP family and Armstrong family, and we are also demanding the Armstrong incident for the inquiry, CBI inquiry. And as well as आज हमारा delegation जाएंगे, memorandum दे देंगे, तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट से एक इंक्वायरी करेंगे इतना अट्रॉसिटी में एक्शन लेना, क्या क्या एक्शन लिया, क्या एक्शन लेने वाला था. इसलिए हमारा बीजेपी, हमारा प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अन्नामलई जी ने एक टीम भेजा आज, और आज ये जाके उनका मिलके मेमोरेंडम दे देंगे.
Police is saying that there is no actual political motive to it. It only seems like a premeditated revenge murder. But the family says that they want CBI investigation, and the family also not ready to accept that these are the actual culprits. How come you think, as a police officer, that the police have come to this thing based on only preliminary investigation?
Sir, I will leave the police version, sir, because police is on the defensive mode from yesterday. We are seeing day before yesterday. I am just getting into the chief minister. When he was the opposition leader, for everything he demands CBI inquiry, everything. Now the chief minister has to understand, if there is a fit case for CBI murder, this is a fit case for CBI murder. As of now, it could be a speculation. The police could be right. I'm not denying it. But why not? The CM is not giving it to CBI. Let CBI come out to the conclusion. We are talking about lack of basic policing, investigation, interrogation, intelligence, monitoring. This is not happening. You cannot just have a 60-rupee bullet, kill one person and a police gun, so that police is not the culprit. You close the case. Whatever you write, people have to accept, because you and me don't have access to go and see.
Pramod Madhav is joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Pramod, you've got, in fact, Chief Minister Stalin now meeting with the family members of Armstrong to send out a message that the government will ensure justice for them. And this is at a time when, several political parties have questioned whether the real culprits have been nabbed. And interestingly, also following that up was a big meeting where Chief Minister Stalin looked into the law and order situation currently in Tamil Nadu.
Absolutely, Akshita. Since it's been 4 days since the murder of BSP State Chief Armstrong, and yesterday the City Police Commissioner was changed. It's Arun now, and earlier it was Sandeep Rathore. And after that, the Chief Minister has visited the family of Armstrong. He met Armstrong's wife Purkudi, and he also has assured that those involved will be brought before justice. But the bigger question here is that BSP supporters, even like VCK and certain leaders, are claiming that the first 8 people who kind of surrendered. Police claim that they were arrested, but the family of BSP says that these people surrendered. They are not the actual culprits, and that's the reason they've been demanding a CBI probe. Now, the Chief Minister has gone ahead. He has met with the family, but he has very clearly only stated that those arrested and those involved will be definitely brought before the law. No, any word about CBI inquiry or not. But just like you mentioned, even after meeting the family yesterday, even Annamalai came forward, and he has also sought a CBI inquiry into this case, Akshita.
All right, Pramod, thanks very much for getting us all of those details. The politics continuing over the shocking murder of Armstrong, the Tamil Nadu BSP chief, that took place on Friday in full public view on the streets of Chennai.